At BMC, we provide a wide range of bearing repairs, such as the slewing ring featured in this video. One of the top bearing manufacturers called us in to perform an on-site inspection on an electric arc furnace bearing that was 14 feet in diameter and weighed over 9,000 pounds. During an inspection, we discovered light etching and staining on the rollers and raceways, caused by moisture due to improper storage in an oil bath for a long time. Using the bearing in its current condition would have caused premature failure of the bearing. We determined that the bearing was a good candidate for repair. The repair process included cleaning and checking all components, polishing internal and external surfaces of the rings, deburring and cleaning the gear teeth, hand polishing and tumbling of all rolling components and cleaning out cages, and final cleaning and packaging. This repair was completed in 4 weeks, preventing premature failure and costly downtime.